What's up, everybody? Dodger Garcia right here with another video test. We're running 1080p on the Galaxy S3. I'm inside my truck right now on my rig. As you can see here, driving a Freightliner day cab. Just checking the sound quality. I know it's probably gonna be pretty noisy. There's noise in here, you know, the engine and everything rattling all over the place. But that's just what I hear right here. So you guys let me know what you guys hear. How's the sound quality? If it's too loud, if it picks up too much engine noise, and if you guys could hear me, let me know. So